Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here two S8 Ultra smartwatches. And this time we are going to compare these two smartwatches. We have the S8 Ultra smartwatch and we have the upgrade S8 Ultra Plus smartwatch. So we are going to check whether there is really an upgrade or it's just a rebranding. Okay, so we'll check the menus and features of both smartwatches. Again, we have here is the S8 Ultra smartwatch and the other one is the S8 Ultra Plus smartwatch. So we are going to check it out, okay, and see if which is better. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding these two wearables, please drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries. Okay, so let's start again. This is our S8 Ultra smartwatch, and the other one in our right, okay, we have the S8 Ultra Plus smartwatch. As you can see here, they have different packaging. The other one here, okay, so it's much smaller packaging but the same contents. See, wireless cable or wireless charging cable, okay, a user manual, and both smartwatches are using the HRY support app, as you can see here. Okay, so both are using the support app. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so the design, as you can see here, so practically I think it's the same. Okay, even here on the side, as you can see, the same smartwatch. Let's see on the back. Okay, so it's a bit different. As you can see, we have here just a drawing here, just a graphic for the watch lock or lock strap. Okay, but it's not working, and of course a fake drawing of screw. Okay, strap, we have here an ocean strap. Okay, so attached through force, okay, fitting. Okay, there is no lock. On the side, we do have here the same body frame. Okay, with the S8 Ultra, it's not that tight, as you can see here. It's easily removed. Okay, the same body frame here, the same orange action button. I think there's an issue here with the strap here for the S8 Ultra. Okay, so it's almost the same smartwatch here. Okay, I don't know about the weight. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to remove the strap. So let's check. And let's see the weight of the strap. When it comes to dimension, they have the same dimension, I think. Okay, 0, 0. Okay. So we have here both smartwatch. Okay, let me check first to see if which is the Ultra Plus. Okay, so this is the Ultra and this is the Ultra Plus. Okay, for the weight, let's see. We have 35. Okay, 0.27. For the Ultra Plus, we have, okay, 35.82. So just the same. Okay, if you just flat total it or round it off, just the same weight. Okay, so I guess the same hardware or software inside. Okay, again, going back. Okay, again, let's check. Let's just make sure. So this is our S8 Ultra and our S8 Ultra Plus. Okay, So let's check the menus of these smartwatches. Okay, so we have here the watch faces. So let's check. They almost have the same watch face offering, as you can see here. Okay, the same black border. Okay, bezel. Okay, so on top we have, okay, the same quick settings. It also supports split screen. Okay, on the side, of course, watch faces. On the bottom part, we have the menus. Okay, so let's check on the menus of these two wearables. Okay, let's have a closer look. Okay, so again, this is our S8 Ultra Plus and our S8 Ultra. Okay, so before we proceed with the menus, let's check on the version of the wearable. Okay, where's the about for the S8 Ultra? Okay, so S8 Ultra version 1.5, S8 Ultra Plus version 1.7. Okay, so just see minor upgrade, I think. Or maybe there's no upgrade at all. We'll see. Maybe just some optimization. We'll check. Okay, dial, the same. Contacts, call log, message. We do have here pedometer. Okay, just see minor changes on the icon. Sleep, sedentary. Okay, Bluetooth camera. Okay, Bluetooth music, find phones, alarm, settings. Do have the about section, brightness. You have the QR code, reset, shutdown, the heart rate. Okay, let's check for the heart rate. Do you have the same UI? Okay, the same UI. Blood pressure, blood oxygen, language support. Okay, run. Let's check. Do we have? Okay, so we don't have it here. Okay, we do have the sports. Okay, we'll check it on. We'll check it on later on. We have the skipping, cycling. We do have a flashlight for the S8 Ultra. I don't know. We do you have? I don't know if we have it here in the S8 Ultra Plus. We do have the cycling, climbing, weather, stopwatch, calculator, style. Okay, the same offering here. Grid style, gypsophilia, grid 9, and list side. Okay, breathing guide, Siri. Okay, WhatsApp, Facebook, Skype, Twitter, dual mode. So the same offering. But when it comes to sports, this one is much better, the S8 Ultra, although it is the previous version. When it comes to sports, it is much more comprehensive. As you can see here, you have the running, skipping, and cycling, climbing. But there's no section for other sports. Okay, here in our S8 Ultra, it has a section for sports monitoring. Okay, so tap on it. Okay, as you can see here, we do have a lot of sports included. Okay, I don't know why they remove it in the S8 Ultra Plus if this is really the S8 Ultra Plus, but based on the box here, it states that it is an S8 Ultra Plus smartwatch, as you can see here, or maybe a lousy version of the S8 Ultra. There are other version of S8 Ultra that is using Fit Pro. Okay, there's also an S8 Ultra Plus. Okay, the 2023. Okay, I don't know if it's the same with the old S8 Ultra Max smartwatch. Okay, as you can see here, it has a lot of sports function. Okay, so this is much better. So as you can see here, the Ultra here, the S8 Ultra smartwatch is much better with the S8 Ultra Plus smartwatch when it comes to sport function. Okay, I don't know about the heart rate, if it's much better. So let's try. Okay. Or maybe the speaker is much better. I don't know if what is the upgrade with the S8 Ultra Plus smartwatch. Okay, I don't see any difference at all except for the version here. Okay, well, I will try the Bluetooth call for this one and see whether it has a much louder speaker. Okay, on the settings, let's check. As you can see here, the same. Okay, menus here, the same offering. Okay, no difference at all. Let's go back again to the heart rate. Maybe it's much faster. Okay. Okay. So almost the same here. Okay. I guess there's no difference in speed. Okay. So the same size, the same weight. Okay. With the Ultra, I don't know why. With the Ultra smartwatch having a much comprehensive sports than the Ultra Plus. Okay. So please drop your comment below if you have any queries regarding the comparison review of the menus and features design of the S8 Ultra Plus smartwatch compared with the S8 or compared with the S8 Ultra smartwatch, S8 Ultra smartwatch compared with the S8 Ultra Plus smartwatch. Okay, so that's it for our comparison review. Bye.